In the transportation and engineering sectors, reliable tyre inner tubes are key to ensuring safety and efficiency. Kamon heavy-duty truck inner tubes, which focus on quality and durability, have become the top choice for many distributors and end users. Kamon has a modern production base, automated manufacturing, and strict quality control to ensure the stable performance of every inner tube. Factory direct supply and bulk shipping eliminate the middleman, making prices more competitive. Kamon heavy-duty truck inner tubes are available in a full range of models with different load capacities to meet the needs of various vehicles. 1400R, 21400R, 1400R25, 1300R24, 1300R25, 1200R21,200R24, 1100R21,100R22. Whether for long-haul freight or construction vehicles, you can find the right specification to match your needs. High strength, wear-resistant and pressure-resistant, suitable for heavy-duty trucks, mining vehicles and construction machinery. In soil and rock transportation and high-intensity operations, it demonstrates reliable load-bearing capacity and stability. Kamon heavy-duty tyre is not only a reflection of manufacturing craftsmanship, but also a guarantee of quality commitment. We supply directly from our factory with transparent parameters, covering multiple vehicle models, helping wholesalers and end users achieve higher value returns. Kamon heavy-duty tyres, durable, precise, and reliable. Choose Kamon for safer transportation and more efficient cooperation.